Hi, and welcome to Indidra's World. I'm back again in my kitchen as usual. Today, I'm going to do what I did on Ash Wednesday, which is tilapia, and I am making it in a made up recipe. Of course, it's kind of Thai and kind of everything basically tied up into one recipe. So, along with that, I'm going to do a very quick salad that'll go with it. And if you're lucky, I might even do a fried rice to go with it, and we'll just split it up into different shows. And otherwise you'll just have very quick shows. Okay, so here I have my cup of tea, and I have with me for the salad, we'd start with the salad. I have very colorful stuff for my salad, which is spring onions, raw mango, but it's kind of semi-sweet raw mango, grated papaya, carrots, and beans. And that is going to be, now my salad dressing, which is exciting, is mirin, rice wine vinegar, lemon juice, fish sauce, soy sauce, and sugar. The soy sauce is salty enough, so you don't need any more salt. But then I put chili flakes. So I'm going to hold that up for you so you can have a look. So there you go. Like I said, soy sauce, chili flakes, mirin, fish sauce, and rice wine vinegar, and a little sesame oil. There doesn't have to be much sesame oil because it's quite strong tasting and smelling. So I'll first pop that together into a very quick salad. I'm going to put not much together because I don't like it getting too soggy before dinner. So I shall put together enough for two, for Pedro, me, and you. And those are the green beans. I know it's an odd one to eat raw, but it does taste really good. Right? Spring onions and raw mango. And you see how pretty the colors are. I just love the colors in all these things. Now, when I add my dressing, you'll see even more colors coming through. You can add peppers if you want. It's up to you. But I'm going to be using peppers in the food as well, red and green peppers. And that's it. Our salad is done. So I've got quite a bit of fish there. So I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of oil. And I am going to grind together. Now, this is red onion, garlic, chili, and ginger. I love this little gizmo of mine. I am one of those weird people who buy everything I see online. Most of them don't do what they're supposed to do, just saying. Now, they're going to get the raw taste out of this. In case you wonder why I'm always sniffing on my shows, it's because all this, it's hot. Okay, to this, in my very large spoon, I use half fish sauce, soy sauce. I'm going to put that so I don't have to add any salt. So that's done. I'm going to use rice wine vinegar for a little tartness, like me. And mirin, my favorite mirin. I love mirin. Almost a whole serving spoon of that. Now, you don't have to use sesame oil, but I just felt like using it. So there it is. We're getting rid of that oil, raw taste of garlic and ginger and chili and onion. Does look nice, doesn't it, Pedro? Now, you know when it's the rawness is gone because it kind of splits from the oil. You'll see the oil going to one side. Now, if you used a lot more oil, which I should do, but I don't like using a lot of fats in my food, it's similar to doing a curry, really. Now, to this, I have shredded like long strands of ginger because I like the bits coming in. Some red chili, but this is not like super hot red chili. It's red chili, longish ones, and some garlic. And I'm going to add lemon juice and chopped red onion and tomatoes, green tomatoes. And to this, I am going to add some water so it stews up a bit. I give you approximates. You obviously, everyone does it slightly differently. So to say 200 cc and 100 cc, I don't know how many people actually cook that way. I know one thing for sure. In my day, I don't actually have the time to cook like that. So it's whatever's easy for me works. Now I'm putting a tablespoon of sugar to this, and I use brown sugar. That gives the sweet, sour, and salty all together. And I'm going to let that bubble a bit. Yeah, so I thought while it's cooking, I could maybe do some rice for you guys. Right? So I've got some rice left over from yesterday. To that, I'm going to add some spring onions and some chopped up veg, which I have over there, and an egg, and I'm going to make a little rice to go with the food. To this, I'm going to add some oil. I'm going to pop in some spring onions, carrots, and beans, some soy sauce, that looks about right. Some rice in there. And there you have your rice, all done. Slightly bejeweled with carrots and beans and egg. You can make it saltier if you want, but I think we have enough salt in our lives. And back goes this. I've got myself a bit of lemongrass here, some peppers. Okay, now that just managed to go off on its own. So I put that back on and I lid it. When it starts buzzing, I'll flip it over. Now you can add a bit of turmeric powder if you want and chili powder. It's up to you. I sometimes do use a bit of chili powder, turmeric powder, and I love cumin, so I put a little cumin in there. But it isn't really necessary. It's however you want to eat it. I'm doing it quite traditionally today. Now, I'm going to turn this down a bit and let it cook through. And we'll be back with you in a minute. So I can plate it all up and show you how nice it is. And here we have it. I hope my bowl doesn't break, sitting over here. And there, I'm going to put a wee bit of my dressing again on there. And Pedro, do you fancy doing the honors? Please do.
Would you?
Okay. In case I've forgotten to tell you, which probably I have, don't forget to like this. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment, as long as it's a good one. If you have something nasty to say, guess what the next dish is going to be?
Yeah, they can guess.
You can guess. Decide what it's going to be, and if you comment in and I get enough of the same thing, then maybe I will make it for you. So on that note, it's Inidraa saying goodbye from my kitchen. And now I'm going to put my feet up until it's gym time. So I'll see you later.